Want to get more value from Manus AI? Here are 7 simple ways people actually use it every day. First, you can use Manus AI for content creation like writing scripts, posts, or ideas quickly. Second, it helps with research by summarizing long topics into simple explanations. Third, you can use it for planning, like organizing tasks or breaking big goals into steps. Fourth, it helps with business ideas and marketing plans when you need strategy support. Fifth, you can use it to analyze information and turn data into easy insights. Sixth, it works well for video creation by generating hooks, titles, and scripts. Seventh, you can use it for daily productivity by managing and simplifying your workflow. Now, you know 7 simple ways to use Manus AI to save time, stay organized, and create content faster.